Welcome back, strong seniors. It's day 25 of our 60-day leg strength journey, and today we're building stronger legs, one easy move at a time. Exercise 1, sit to stand. Chair squats, 50 repetitions. Please place your sturdy chair on a flat surface where it will not slide. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Now, slowly stand up and then sit back down. Keep your back straight and your head facing forward. Remember to move slowly and control your motion. Are you ready? Let us start together and make sure to count every single repetition with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 'Great work! You are halfway there. Keep your back straight and feel that gentle strength building in your thighs and knees. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 'You are doing great. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 'Excellent pace. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just 10 more to go. You can do this. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 'Keep breathing, keep smiling. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Amazing job, my friends. You have completed 50 full repetitions of sit to stand. Feel that light burn in your legs. That is your strength growing. If you have reached this far, give yourself a big smile and a gentle pat on your back. Exercise 2. Seated leg raises, 50 repetitions each leg. Stay seated comfortably and sit tall with your back straight. Hold the sides of your chair for support. Lift your right leg up slowly. Hold it for a second at the top and then bring it back down gently. Now do the same with your left leg. Lift up, hold for a moment, and lower it down. Keep breathing normally and do not rush. We will perform 50 repetitions on each leg. Let us start with the right leg first. Ready? Here we go. Count with me loudly and proudly. Right leg counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are doing great. Keep that leg steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stay strong. Keep breathing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are almost there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Feel that strength growing. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful work! Now switch to your left leg. Sit tall again and let us begin. Left leg counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great focus. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job. You have now completed 50 repetitions on each leg. Feel that gentle stretch and strength in your thighs and knees. These leg raises help you maintain balance and flexibility, especially as you age. Exercise 3, standing calf raises, 50 repetitions. Stand up behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for balance. Keep your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart, and your back nice and straight. Now slowly lift your heels so that you are standing on your toes. Hold this position for a second, and then lower your heels gently back to the ground. Remember to move with control and breathe naturally. Are you ready? Let us begin. Count with me from 1 to 50. Counting begins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent. You are halfway there. Keep smiling. Your legs are thanking you for this movement. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel the stretch in your calves. You are doing great. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep your balance steady and shoulders relaxed. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wonderful. Just 10 more to go. Push through the last 10. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Keep lifting and lowering with control. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing job! You have completed 50 standing calf raises with perfect control and focus. Take a deep breath and shake out your legs gently. You should feel a warm, pleasant stretch in your calves and ankles. That is the sign of stronger, healthier muscles. Calf raises are an excellent way to keep your legs active and improve your overall balance and mobility. If you are on day 25 of our series, you should be feeling stronger, more stable, and more confident with every move. Tell me in the comments how your legs feel after completing today's exercises. And remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can also join this wonderful fitness journey with you. Keep smiling, keep moving, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of strength and energy.